Imagine waking up and immediately knowing how to dodge the emotional landmines that once sent you spiraling into darkness. How does that sound? For years, my biggest fear was that feeling. That inevitable crash. You know, the one where everything goes dark, and you feel completely helpless, right? Believe me, I get it. But what if I told you the key to breaking free wasn't willpower, but awareness? We're talking about identifying those triggers that send you spiraling before they even hit. Typical advice tells you to just think positive. But that's like telling someone to just breathe when they're underwater. Doesn't really work, does it? Here's where AI comes in. I started using an app that tracks my mood, then analyzes my daily habits and triggers. Within weeks, I spotted patterns, specific social media accounts, certain types of music, and even certain times of day were red flags. So I implemented a simple tactic. When the AI flagged a trigger, I took a 5-minute break, did some grounding exercises, and reached out to a friend. That wasn't the end solution, but was a powerful starting point in regaining control. This is the core of a bigger framework. Subscribe now, and let's build a life that's not ruled by cycles, but by your choices.